Pairing your Alfred Lock with Amazon Alexa. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Unlocking. Hang on. Locking. Hang on. Checking. Hang on. The front door is unlocked.
Alexa voice activation is available on the Alfred DB1 series locks and the Alfred DB2 series locks with the Alfred Connect Wi-Fi integration system. The Connect must be powered, connected to Wi-Fi, and paired with the Alfred Lock. All Alfred devices must be set up in the Alfred Home app using your Alfred account. First, launch the Alexa app on your mobile device. Then, go to the More tab and select Skills and Games. Once there, search for Alfred Smart Home and enable the skill. Log in with your Alfred Home app credentials. You should see an acknowledgement that the account is successfully linked. Next, click on Discover Devices and Alexa will search for all online Alfred locks to pair. Once found, each device needs to be set up individually. You can choose to add your lock to a group or skip and revisit the step later. Unlocking is disabled by default, so after all locks are configured, go into the settings of each device to set up a unique voice confirmation code. Increase the security of your home by choosing a different PIN code than the PIN code used on the touchpad of your Alfred Lock. If you make any changes to your device names within the Alfred Home app, it's best to relink your Alfred account to the Alexa app so it can recognize updates to your new device name for commands. Alexa, unlock the front door.
What's your voice code for front door?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Unlocking. Hang on.
Door open.
The front door is unlocked.